Hello everyone, welcome to the Sangli Shikshan Sanstha's YouTube channel. Today's session is about standard 5th subject maths lesson number 3 addition and subtraction. Students, in last year standard 4th we have studied addition and subtraction of 5-digit numbers. In this year standard 5th we are going to learn addition and subtraction of 6 and 7-digit numbers. Let us recall addition. Addition is the taking two or more numbers and adding them together. It is the sum of two or more numbers. Student, this is the symbol of addition. We call plus, and this is the symbol of subtraction. We call minus. Let's see some examples of addition. First one, 24,12,636 plus second number 23,19,058. First, we have to draw the place value chart, that is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. Let us add the digits of unit place, that is 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. Now add the digits of tens place, carry 1 to the tens place, 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. And carry 1 is equal to 9. Let us add the digits of 100 place, that is 6 plus 0 is equal to 6. Now add the digits of 10 100 place, that is 2 plus 9 is equal to 11. Carry 1 to the 10,000 place, that is 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 and remain carry 1, that is equal to 3. Again we have to add the digits of lakh place, that is 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Last one, 10 lakh. We have to add the digits of 10 lakh place, that is 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. We get sum 47,31,694. Now another way to solve the addition. Second example, 23,45,678 plus 9,87,654. Now see, first we have to add the digits of unit place, that is 8 plus 4 is equal to 12, that is carry 1, 7 plus 5 is equal to 12 and carry 1 is equal to 13. Now again we have to add the digits. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12, carry 1, 13. Now 5 plus 7 is equal to 12 and carry 1, that is 13. Now again 4 plus 8 is equal to 12 and carry 1 is equal to 13. 3 plus 9 is equal to 12 and carry 1 is equal to 13. Now last column, 2 plus 2 that and carry 1, that is 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. We get sum 33,33,332. Next point, word problems of addition. See the first example. A textile mill produced 17,24,938 meters of cloth last year and 23,47,056 meters this year. What was the total production for the 2 years? Let's solve the example. Students, in this example, we have to find total production for the 2 years. Means here we have to do addition of these two numbers. This is the production of last year and this is the production of this year. Now add 8 plus 6 is equal to 14, carry 1, 3 plus 5 is equal to 8, 8 plus 1 is equal to 9, 9 plus 0 is equal to 9, 4 plus 7 is equal to 11, that is carry 1, 2 plus 4 is equal to 6, plus 1, 7, 7 plus 3 is equal to 10, carry 1, 2 plus 1, 3 and carry 1, 4. This is the production in 2 years. Answer, 40,71,994 meters was the total production for the 2 years. Now see the second example. What will be the sum of the smallest and largest 6-digit numbers? Students, Here we have to find sum of smallest 6-digit number and largest 6-digit number. Now see, which is the smallest 6-digit number? Yes, 1 lakh is the smallest 6-digit number. And which is the largest 6-digit number? Yes, 9,99,999 is the largest 6-digit number. Now let us add these two numbers. 0 plus 9 is equal to 9. 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 Now 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. Carry 1 is equal to 1. Carry as it is. This is the total of 6-digit number. Altogether 10,99,999 6-digit numbers. Students, next session is about subtraction. Let's recall subtraction. Subtraction is the operation of taking the difference of two numbers. Now let's see some examples of subtraction. First one, 65,07,843. Next number is 9,25,586. So children, whenever we are doing addition or subtraction, we have to start from unit place. So here 3 minus 6. Can we subtract 6 from 3? No, because 3 is smaller number and 6 is bigger number. So we can't subtract 6 from 3. So we have to take borrow 1 from this tens place. Here 4 minus 1, 3, and here we have to add 10. 10 plus 3 is equal to 13. That is 13 minus 6 is equal to 7. Now look at the tens place. Here again 3 minus 8. It is possible? No, because 8 is bigger number and again 3 is smaller number. Again we have to take borrow from this 100 place. That is 13, and here 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. Here 10 minus 8 is equal to 5, and in 100 place 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. Now again 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. Now digits of 10,000 place, that is 0 and 2. Can we subtract 2 from 0? No, because 0 is smaller number and 2 is bigger number. So again we have to take from borrow from this lakh place. 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. 4 minus 9. Is it possible? No, because 9 is bigger number and 4 is smaller number. Again we have to take borrow from this 10 lakh place. Here is 14 and here is 6 minus 5 is equal to 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. 14 minus 9 is equal to 5, and last one 10 lakh place, that is 5 as it is. Okay, answer is 55,82,257. Students, next point is subtraction by another method. First example, 724 minus 376. Let's see solve. Here, as we cannot subtract 6 from 4, we shall add a 10 to both the numbers. For the upper number, we untie 1 tens and we add 10 units to 4 units to get 14. 14 minus 6 is equal to 8. And here 7 plus 1 is equal to 8, and here is 2. Again we cannot subtract 8 from 2 because 2 is smaller number and 8 is bigger number. Again we have to add a 10 to both the numbers, both the digits. Here is 12 and here is 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 12 minus 8 is equal to 4, and here 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. Students, in this method we are borrowing. See, in this method we are borrowing, and here we are adding 1 to both the places. This is the difference between two methods. Next point is word problems. of subtraction. See the first example. In a company produced 44,730 scooters in a certain year and 43,150 in the next. How many more scooters did they produce in the previous year? Here we have to find how many more scooters did they produce in the previous year. They are given here scooters produced in the previous year and scooters produced in the next year. Let us subtract these two's number. 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. 3 minus 5, is it possible? No. Then we have to take borrow from this place, that is 13. 13 minus 5 is equal to 8. Here 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. We get answer 1580 scooters produced more in the previous year. Children, next point is mixed examples of addition and subtraction. Let's see the first example. A city has a population of 37,04,926. If this includes 11,24,069 men and 10,96,478 women, what is the number of children in the city? So in this question they have given population of city is equal to 37,04,926 and population of men is equal to 11,24,069 and population of women is 10,96,478 and they are asked here number of children in the city. For this, first we will add the population of men and women. Whatever answer you get, that answer you will subtract from the population of city. Let's start the solving. 9 plus 8 is equal to 17. Carry 1. 6 plus 7 is equal to 13 plus 1 is equal to 14. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. 2 plus 9 is equal to 11 and carry 1, that is 12. Again remain carry 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Then we get total number of men and women. Now next subtraction. This is the total population and this is the total number of men and women. Now see, 6 minus 7, is it possible? No. Then we have to take borrow from this place, that is 16. 16 minus 7 is equal to 9. Here is 1. 1 minus 4, is it possible? No. Again we have to take borrow from this place, that is 11 and here is 8. 11 minus 4 is equal to 7. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. Here 0 minus 2, is it not possible? Then we have to take borrow from this place, that is 10 and here is remain 6. 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Then we get the answer. Number of children in the city is 14,84,379. Students, see the second example of mixed word problem. For a 3-day cricket match, 13,608 tickets were sold on the first day and 8,955 on the second day. If altogether 36,563 tickets were sold in 3 days, how many were sold on the third day? Students, in this question they have given tickets sold on first day, tickets sold on second day and tickets sold in 3 days. For this, first you will add the tickets sold on first day and tickets sold on second day. See, 8 plus 5 is equal to 13, 1 plus 5 is equal to 6, 6 plus 9 is equal to 15, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4, 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. Again carry 1, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. This is the tickets sold on first and second day. Now whatever answer you get, that answer you will subtract from tickets sold in 3 days. See the next step. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. This is the tickets sold on third day. Now answer 14,000 tickets sold on the third day. Students, today we have learned addition, word problems of addition, subtraction, word problems of subtraction, then mixed examples of addition and subtraction. Please like, share, subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Thank you.